In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. A 6.3 magnitude earthquake strikes northern Afghanistan. The reopening of the Strait of Tashqoran highway in Samangan after overnight blockage. And at least 236 Palestinians martyred across Gaza following ceasefire with Israel. Welcome to today's news package. It's Monday, the 12th of Jamadi al-Awwal, 1447, the 12th of Aqrab, 1404, and the 3rd of November, 2025. The news details. An earthquake measuring 6.3 on Richter scale struck several parts of Samangan province at around 1 a.m. last night, shaking large areas across the north of the country. Officials from the Samangan Public Health Department reported at least 8 people were killed and nearly 200 others injured in the quake. Based on the officials, the earthquake caused 1 death and over 100 injuries in Samangan city, 6 deaths and more than 70 injuries in Home district, and 1 death with 15 injuries in Hazar Sultan district of the province. The U.S. Geological Survey (USGS) announced that the earthquake occurred at the depth of 28 kilometers, with its epicenter in the Home district of Samangan. The Minister of National Defense says that the main Strait of Tashqoran highway in Samangan, which had been blocked due to last night's earthquake, has been reopened by engineering and rescue teams from the 209 Al-Faruq Army Corps. In accordance with the ministry, following reopening, trapped civilians were rescued and the injured were transferred to hospital for emergency medical care. The news continuation. The United Nations Assistance Mission in Afghanistan, UNAMA, announced that its relief team have been dispatched to the earthquake-affected areas in northern Afghanistan to assist needs and deliver immediate assistance. In a post on its official X page, the organization stated that it stands solidarity with the affected communities and will provide the necessary support. Similarly, the Afghan Red Crescent Society (ARCS) confirmed that its rescue team have been deployed to the affected regions, where they have already begun emergency relief operations. And the last news. According to Al Jazeera, citing Gaza Health Ministry, Israel regime has killed at least 236 Palestinians and wounded around 600 others across Gaza Strip since the announcements of the ceasefire. The report adds that bodies of at least 502 Palestinians have been recovered from the rubble, bringing the total death toll in Gaza since the beginning of Israel's offensive to 68,856 martyrs. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.